Equals my computer won't turn on. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The problem you're facing could be due to a faulty power supply that isn't allowing your HP Omen to start up. Replacing the power supply usually resolves this issue. Once replaced, your device should power up without any problems. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.